Out of those 9 new projects, 5 of them target cloud computing environments. That gives you an idea of where we're heading to. Our membership, our community, includes 1,600 individual members and 60 companies, organizations, universities, research centers across the world. Since the last conference, we integrated 14 new members. Of course, some members have left us because they've changed their strategies, but we maintain our growth in membership. Members come from all over the world. It's true that maybe we should do a little bit of some effort in Brazil, and we know that in 2012 we'll also make an effort in Europe and North America. The governance, no, the activities. We've launched the Open Source Cloudware Initiative, which is today probably the largest community effort in the world developing open source code for cloud computing, with over more than 30 participants. We've involved OW2 in a collaborative project called Choreos that develops choreography, web service choreographies for ultra-large-scale deployment, and we target the future internet, what they call the internet of the future. We've also involved OW2 in a project called Compatible One, which develops the technologies that offers interoperability to cloud computing users. Our governance, our board meets regularly. Since last conference, 6 times, so it's roughly every other month. The board makes checks the budget, makes the long-term decisions, and we also rely in our governance on the Technology Council. That Technology Council meets more often and is the group of the project leaders, and they decide of the orientations to accept new projects, and they control all the control. They provide our guidance for everything technology in our organization. With the money we get, what do? We run a technical infrastructure, one that provides all the tools that developers might need to run their projects. And we do have very demanding developers. So we have got JForge and Open Forge, but we also implemented a GitHub Git architecture with an instance of Gitorius running in OW2 and a GitHub space. We have continuous integration. We have bug trackers. We have mailing lists, wikis, instant messaging technologies. All this is run on a 24/7 every day, and you know here in the room, because you use that it's a pretty reliable infrastructure. We also do marketing, and we do a lot of that. Exhibitions and conferences, nearly once a year. In February 2010, we went to Cloud Computing Europe, Cloud Expo Europe. In March, IT Cloud in Paris. In May, Solution Linux in Paris. In June, FISL in Porto Alegre in Brazil, where we did several presentations. In July, we were at OW2con, where our booth was pretty successful. In September, we had an extensive presence at the Open World Forum in Paris. We also co-organized the OpenStack Summit in Paris. We also had, in October, the Cloud and IT exhibition in Paris. And last but not least, we organized the China Open Source Week with 4 events in China, reaching almost 1,000 people. So that's a lot of work. And this would not be possible without the team we have here. So I see they are here in the room. So first of all, I want to thank Alex. Alex is here. There is Catherine Noël, stand up, like people can see you, Catherine, who does all the events organization. Lakshmi, who's our admin support. And Jérémy Kazeri, who's the sysadmin, who's here. And standing up there behind the camera, Olivier Lizuna, who's our webmaster. So this is a small team to do what we do. And we hope you think we do it well. We try our best. And we're here to check with you our progress and exchange about what your expectations are for OW2. So we do that, but it's not just activities for the sake of spending your money and developing code. We also have a strategy because we understand the environment. So what we've done, our strategic plan unfolds as follows. In 2010, we launched the Open Source Cloudware Initiative. That initiative positioned OW2 center stage in the open source cloud computing market. We now are recognized by all the major players in this market. And we carry on this effort. Many conferences today, presentations today, and the keynote speeches and the Cloud Computing Summit tomorrow reflect the efforts we're doing in the cloud computing area. But code, just for the sake of code, is not enough. We want to impose this code on the market. And that's why we are developing the second stage of our strategy, or the three-stage strategy, in 2011, which we call SQUAT. And SQUAT stands for Software Quality Assurance and Trustworthiness. The idea is to test all our mature projects with a number of tools that are recognized by the market and to publish the results so users have full information on the project and the perceived reliability of the OW2 project will be just as comparable as that of software available from proprietary vendors. That's the idea. We are today about 90% into the development of this program, which will be fully available as from January 2012. And next year, all amateur projects will be SQUAT compliant. And beyond that, so what we're going to start doing in 2012, now we have state-of-the-art code, reliable code. We will start making it available to the end users. And we'll develop something we call an app store. I mean, the name is yet to be found. And we will make OW2 code readily available for the market so as to grow beyond the very nice community of developers and technology we have into something that becomes much more mainstream. So the plan is to make OW2 mainstream by 2013. Once again, we're very proud to have these sponsors. This sponsorship is a testimonial to the quality of what, as a community, we've achieved so far, our positioning. We hope our conference reflects what we've done, what we're doing. The OW2 conference is a progress report, is a snapshot of what we do. For musicians, it's like making a record. This is our record, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.